So are we ever gonna, like, really meet?
Mm-hmm.
Like now?
No.
Okay. You lived here your whole life?
No. Pretty recently. I was living with my dad, but he's not the kind of guy you can really deal.
I don't know anything about that. And your mom? Mine's dead. Never knew her. So, no mom. Screwed up dad. It's too bad we have nothing in common. What's with the Korean TV? You speak Korean?
Fluently.
Oh, really? What are they saying?
잘 먹고 있어야 돼.
Bon appetit.
관리 잘하라고.
She did not say bon appetit.
Oh. You speak Korean too.
Well, I don't like to show off, but yes. And Koreans don't say bon appetit.
She said the Korean equivalent.
Which is what?
I hope you have a big appetite, such that you scarf food and hurl chunks.
No, that's the subjunctive.
어?
I'll take mom, you'll take perm boy.
Game on.
보여줄 테니까 목을 깨끗이 하고 기다리고 있어요.
So what's she saying now?
I love you, but when it comes to hair, you are a clueless wonder.
I can tell you for a fact that is not what she said. What mom said was,
No!
oh.
Oh. I hope Will isn't your Korean teacher.
You miss school?
Like a natural born wonk.
'Cause, I have classes if you want to come.
Yes. I'd love to. Tomorrow?
Sure.
Well. Great. Well, I guess. Good night then.
Hold on. Pretty gruesome, huh?
I've seen worse.